This is our Gai Lan, which is Chinese broccoli. Now we move on to our mushrooms. And now we're just gonna do a nice little shallow fry in this oil. Or at least I thought. The damn stove ain't even on. Here is our lion's mane. This is organic toasted sesame oil and some minced garlic. Ooh. The pan's still hot from the fry, so she's a little extra spicy. And next we're gonna add in some of this sweet soy sauce that I have. The brewed soy sauce. There's only a little bit in here. And then we have some vegan oyster sauce. Here is that. Now we shall toss in. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. We will toss in our lion's mane. These look so freaking good. Oh shit, hell no, put that back. Look! Oh my gosh. Y'all. Actually, before we do that, oh, it froze! These are my green onions. Probably not even in my best interest to even use these, honestly, anymore. But I'm still gonna do it. And then, of course, we will finish it off with some sesame seeds. I got black and white. Listen, I'm gonna throw some sesame seeds on something, you feel me? Now for the very last step, I'm popping this puppy in the microwave. This is some cooked white rice. That's it. Sticky white rice. 90 seconds. Vent this bad boy and we got a meal. And I don't care what y'all say about it. Look at that, you guys. And then not only that, like it's the perfect little bowl. So watch this. Okay. My camera's dying, so let's taste. And that's a yes, baby. My camera died, but I don't even care. I'm not even mad because this, yeah. If y'all have not tried these lion's mane mushrooms, make sure that you check your local farmers market, your Asian marts. See if y'all can find these lion's mane, because this right here, this is the truth. Make sure that y'all subscribe, like, share this recipe. Make this for your man, your lady, your kids, your grandma, mom, whoever. They gonna tear it up.